Today we are doing experiment second, experiment 2. Read it out. What is it? We have to prepare a mixture and a compound. Okay, we have to prepare one mixture and one compound from sulfur powder and iron filings. सल्फर एंड आयरन से हमें एक मिक्सचर बनाना है और एक कंपाउंड बनाना है. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल हैव टू differentiate between them, distinguish between them on basis of their properties. So first you should know what is a mixture and what is a compound. You have studied in chemistry the difference between mixture and compound. Okay, so what is a mixture? You should know about it. You have read about this. That mixture is formed by simply mixing two or more substances physically. Okay, when we mix two or more substances physically in any ratio, no ratio is fixed. ठीक है, simply sulfur में iron mix कर देंगे without knowing any ratio. ठीक है, that is and physically, then we will get a mixture. What is a compound? In compound, two or more elements combine together in fixed ratio. For example, water always combines in 1:8. Ammonia is formed when nitrogen and hydrogen combine in 14:3. Okay, so a compound is formed by combining two or more elements in a fixed ratio, and they combine chemically. Chemical change takes place. Okay, so another difference is in a mixture no new substance is formed. कोई नया substance mixture में नहीं बनेगा, but compound में एकदम नया न्यू केमिकल विल बी फॉर्म. सो हम जब सल्फर और आयरन से जो मिक्सचर बनाएंगे, ओके, देन वो सल्फर और आयरन दोनों का मिक्सचर रहेगा. कोई नया कंपाउंड फॉर्म नहीं होगा, कोई नया सब्सटेंस फॉर्म नहीं होगा. लेकिन जब हम कंपाउंड फॉर्म करेंगे तो सल्फर और आयरन से जो कंपाउंड बनेगा वो सल्फर और आयरन से बिल्कुल अलग एक नया कंपाउंड बनेगा. ठीक है, दैट इज फेरस सल्फाइड, आयरन सल्फाइड. ओके, there are more differences between mixture and compound. We can separate components of mixture by physical methods. Physically, filtration, magnetic separation. By any physical method we can separate components of mixture, but we cannot separate component of mixture by component of compound by physical methods. To separate component of compound, for example, अगर हमें water में से hydrogen oxygen separate करनी है, we will have to carry out some chemical reaction. अगर हमें आयरन सल्फाइड से वापस आयरन और सल्फर बनाना है तो we will have to do some chemical reaction. वो physically नहीं होगा. Okay, so components of compound cannot be separated by physical methods. And another important difference between mixture and compound, that the mixture shows the properties of its components. Okay, आयरन और सल्फर का मिक्सचर जो होगा उसमें आयरन की भी प्रॉपर्टी होगी, सल्फर की भी प्रॉपर्टी होगी. लेकिन जो आयरन और सल्फर का कंपाउंड होगा, द कंपाउंड डज नॉट एग्जिबिट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स कंपोनेंट्स. इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज आर एंटायरली डिफरेंट. जो फेरस सल्फाइड बनेगा उसमें आयरन और सल्फर की कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होगी, उसमें सिर्फ फेरस सल्फाइड की प्रॉपर्टीज होगी. So that are the difference between mixtures and compound. So first we will prepare iron and mixture and compound by using iron and sulfur. Then we will distinguish between them. Okay, so we will start doing our experiment. So first we will prepare a mixture and then we will prepare a compound, and finally we will distinguish between them. Okay, so we have two things. We have sulfur powder and we have iron filings. So first we have to prepare a mixture. To prepare a mixture you have to do nothing but simply mix two components in any ratio physically. So I have take two spatulas of iron filings, any amount of iron filings with any amount of sulfur powder. Mixing them physically will give you mixture. Okay, so I have taken both the components in this china dish and I will simply stir them to get a mixture. Taken some sulfur powder and a pinch of iron filings, and I am simply mixing them physically, okay, to get a mixture. So this is our mixture, okay. Now we will start making a compound. To prepare the compound, I will take because compound is formed in fixed ratio and ratio is almost 1:1 between iron and sulfur, so I will take one pinch of iron and simply another pinch of sulfur powder, okay, and I will have to heat this mixture to form the compound. So we will on the Bunsen burner and heat it on it. So let's turn on the Bunsen burner, put the tripod stand over it, iron stand, and wire gauze over it, and our china dish. Okay, it must be heated either in china dish or in hard test tube because it requires a high amount of heating. So we need a strong apparatus. So we will start. I will put this on this wire gauze and start heating. I will put wire gauze over Bunsen burner, and this is our mixture of iron filings and sulfur powder. So we will start heating until we get a thick mass of cells. You can see its color, it's not clear, but when the compound will be formed, it will be black in color. Okay, so it might stick to the surface, so we will keep stirring this until we get a black mass. That black mass will be of FeS, iron sulfide. ऊपर से दिख रहा होगा. So you can see it has started turning into black. You should use gloves while using this and take precautions. It will start melting, and when it starts melting and turns into black, the compound will be formed. So you can see it has turned into thick mass of ferrous sulfide. Okay, so you can see clearly we have obtained one mixture and another compound. Okay, so this black colored compound is ferrous sulfide and this is the mixture. Okay, so you can clearly differentiate between them. On basis of appearance, you can see mixture is heterogeneous and compound is made up of only one kind of particles, and so homogeneous, it is in crystallized form now. And you can see that mixture components can be seen easily. Okay, and it has different kinds of particles, elements, but it has only ferrous sulfide, only one kind of molecules. So compound has been formed chemically by chemical reaction and mixture has been formed physically. Okay, so another difference is that we can separate components of mixture physically, okay, but not for compounds. So let's check. Because it has iron, this mixture has iron, so it should attract magnet. So let's see, does iron attract magnet, and can we separate iron from sulfur? So you can see iron filings are attracted to magnet. You can see all the iron filings have been attached to magnet and sulfur powder is
left. So physically we can separate components of a mixture. Can we separate iron from compound by physical method by simply a magnet? No. And we can show it. You can see that now iron is not getting attracted to magnet because there is no iron in this. There is only iron sulfide, ferrous sulfide. So there is no iron, so no attraction. Okay, so we cannot separate components of compound by physical methods. So it also proves that in a mixture, components of the mixture retain their properties. Okay, जो properties के components की हैं वो रहती हैं, लेकिन in a compound its component properties do not retain. The components lose their properties. Iron has lost its property because there is no iron, now it's iron sulfide. So components do not retain their properties.